After Shefali's death, all eyes are on her brother. How rich is Hindustani Bhau? It was around 11 p.m. A strange silence had settled over Mumbai's night air. Suddenly, one piece of news shook the soul of the entire city. Kanta Laga girl, Shefali Jariwala is no more. On the night of 27th June 2025, the news from Cooper Hospital not only devastated her fans but sent shockwaves throughout the entertainment industry. But after the initial shock, one name started making headlines, not someone related to her by blood, but someone whose bond with her ran deeper than blood. That name was Hindustani Bhau, her sworn brother. The same Bhau to whom Shefali used to tie Rakhi every year. As people began asking how Bhau was doing and what he was up to, the nature of the questions shifted. Curiosity grew. Who really is Hindustani Bhau? And the biggest question, is he really as rich as he appears on social media? Today, we'll dive deep into this topic. But before that, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our latest videos. So let's begin today's discussion without any delay. When Shefali Jariwala made her brief but electrifying appearance in the song Kanta Laga, millions of hearts skipped a beat. Her dance moves, expressions, and confidence became the face of the early 2000 Indian music video culture. She later went on to act in several films, pursued modeling, and carved out a stronger presence through reality shows like Bigg Boss. But when she entered the Bigg Boss house, there was one person who grabbed just as much attention, a rugged, Desi-style personality who often appeared immersed in anger or patriotism, Hindustani Bhau. The bond between the two was truly unique. On the show, Shefali openly revealed that Vikas Phatak, better known as Hindustani Bhau, was her sworn brother. Whether it was the festival of Raksha Bandhan or times of personal sorrow, Shefali always stood by Bhau, and he treated her with more respect than even a real sister. That's why, after Shefali's death, while everyone paid their tributes, all cameras turned toward Bhau. What would he say? What would he feel? And soon, a new question went viral across social media. Is Hindustani Bhau really as rich as he appears? So today, let's dig deep into this question. Who really is Hindustani Bhau? And how did he rise from an ordinary life to become a social media figure now known across the globe? Vikas Phatak, known to the world as Hindustani Bhau, hails from Mumbai. His early life was completely ordinary, no intense schooling, no high-profile background. But within him burned a fire, a spark of rebellion, which he channeled through his content. With his Desi style, bold dialogues, and fearless opinions, he took social media by storm. Especially among the youth, he gained a loyal and distinct following. Talking about his income, Hindustani Bhau's primary and most significant platform is YouTube. His channel has millions of subscribers and hundreds of millions of views. He creates videos on patriotism, social issues, and topics meant to awaken the youth. Sometimes he appears criticizing government policies. Other times he is seen saluting the bravery of Indian soldiers. It's this kind of content that often goes viral and brings him substantial YouTube ad revenue. According to estimates, he earns around 3 to 5 lakhs rupees per month from YouTube views alone. But the story doesn't end there. Brand promotions and sponsorships also form a major part of his earnings. Several Desi and local brands, especially those targeting recognition in India's smaller cities, choose faces like Bhau's, someone real and relatable. So when Bhau promotes a product, it directly influences his audience because people don't see him as a polished actor, but as one of their own. For such endorsements, he earns anywhere between 50,000 to 2 lakhs rupees per promotion. Apart from this, events and stage shows are also a significant source of income for him. After his stint on Bigg Boss, invitations started pouring in from various places. He appears at college functions, political events, local celebrations, and NGO programs. These appearances earn him substantial fees. He charges anywhere between 1 to 3 lakhs rupees per stage show, which reflects his growing brand value. Another important side of Bhau is his role as a social activist. He has actively participated in various NGOs and social welfare initiatives across Mumbai and surrounding areas. His efforts in promoting education for underprivileged children, women's safety, and cleanliness campaigns have been commendable. While these activities may not bring him direct income, they greatly enhance his public image and fan following, which eventually help him secure more brand deals and promotional work. Now let's talk about the most intriguing part, his total wealth. According to media reports, Hindustani Bhau's net worth is estimated to be around 5 to 6 crore. He resides in a well-furnished apartment in Mumbai, a location he often features in his videos. He also owns luxury vehicles, including SUVs and sports bikes. Though his life appears very public on social media, in his personal space, he maintains a disciplined and grounded lifestyle. His monthly income ranges between 5 to 10 lakhs rupees, which is significantly higher than many television actors. And this income is entirely dependent on social media. The more viral the content, the greater the earnings. That's why Bhau always brings something that resonates, sometimes patriotism, sometimes a social message, sometimes heartfelt appeals for sisters. People often say that fame on the internet is fleeting, but Bhau has proven that wrong. He doesn't chase trends, he creates his own identity and sets new trends. And that is his greatest asset. But among all this, what truly stands out is that Bhau never turned his relationship with Shefali into a showpiece. For him, the Rakhi thread wasn't just a ritual, it was a responsibility. After Shefali's death, his eyes were moist, but his face was resolute, as if he had silently vowed to carry forward his sister's legacy. Maybe that's what a real bond looks like, where blood isn't the connection, but the heart is, and it surpasses every worldly tie. Today, when we wonder how rich Hindustani Bhau really is, the answer isn't found merely in money or luxury cars. He is rich in the trust millions of followers place in him. He is rich in the respect he commands in society. And above all, he is rich in the relationship he honored selflessly as Shefali's brother. So next time you see a video of Hindustani Bhau on the internet, don't just focus on the dialogues or the attitude. Try to understand the man behind it all, the friend, the brother, the social warrior, the real internet celebrity who rose from the ground up, with no film family, no pre-written script. Because the real story is often hidden behind the camera.
Our video has taught you something new. Do not forget to like and share this video so that this information can reach others as well. Your likes and shares are a source of inspiration for us. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. It will be our honor to answer your questions and listen to suggestions. And yes, if you like our content, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you stay connected with every new story. Thank you. GRT Business YouTube channel sources, news from various news agencies, opinion polls and other public sources. We try to ensure that every report and summary is accurate and verified, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our aim is only to provide you with accurate information.